buddy. I'm high. Not really, but you know, you need to say something to open it up. I'm gonna be playing the Gary's mod and shit. So, yeah. If it's laggy, it's most likely because the map is like, it's the Lost map. Map for Lost. If you don't know what Lost is, you must have been hiding under a rock for the past like few years, 3 years, 2 years. Fuck, I don't even know when it started. I just downloaded it and I'm playing now, so. And I'm not all up to date on Lost, so don't say, oh, you should have went there because there's something there. No, I don't know exactly everything about the island. I know they crashed, and I know, what's his name, Jack was looking for his father or something, and he saw his father on the island. I saw one episode, like, when that boat blew up, that Jack's father came out of nowhere and said, you can go now, Michael. And Michael was like, who the hell are you, or something. And the boat explodes. Of course, and all like stuck on things. I'm looking for the hatch. I remember the hatch. So is it me or just get really close up? I'm sorry for lag, guys. Just deal with it for now. Don't know what the fuck's in here. Porno. I have no idea what this shit is, so don't harass me about it. What's this say? Oh, nice to put it on the back of the fucking door where no one can see it until it's closed. And it's too fucking light, you're a zombie or some shit. Frame rate is so fucking bad. And no, I won't use the source recorder because that's way too fucking complicated. What in the fucking shit balls? Quick to the bomb shelter. Oh, what the fuck? It's too white. No racist joke intended. Ah! Guys, if you can help me of what just fucking happened, I would be very, very happy. Did the world end or some shit? I didn't push the button. Well, that was fucking weird. Am I in the hatch thing? It was just fucking creepy, man. Alright, sorry if you don't like people that no clip or whatever. Just that I'm really fucking confused right now. The fucking thing just exploded. And I'm guessing this is the hatch. Oh fuck! I could have put a warning sign. Whoever crashed there, and lag is eating my balls off. What the fuck? Ball sack. Ball sack. Or we can go lost and damned shotgun. Yes, I have Grand Theft for the Lost and Damned. No, not for PC, so don't ask. What is this? Just put the the hatch should be back on. That would piss me off. Seriously, is this map fucking small as shit? It's a huge ass island. you, guy. Who's made the phone. Yeah, it's an admin gun I got with a pack of balls. Let's start with the ball jokes. Oh, there's the hatch. Okay, I do not remember this part where it's all fucking flooded. I'm not going down there. It could be piss or something. Okay. Ugh. The fuck? I don't get what this even have the lost via Dumas thing. No idea what the fuck it is. Why is there a bicycle? This is mad weird. Alright, where's how much time do I have left? That's fucking helpful. Fuck. Let's see what's up there. As much as people said this map was cool, I'm really starting to think it's faggish. It's dumb. Any reason why there's no fucking sound? Oh, there we go, that has sound. Now watch this, I thought this was cool how this guy made it. All that, some of them don't work because I don't think I have episode 2, so. It's Eli, yay, Eli. You know, it sucks. You died. Stack Kleiner. Oh my god. 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 Fuck. Yes, make that ass bleed. That's not really ass, it's your back. It's the Metro Cop. Oh shit. I don't know what to do. I got a bunch of weapons with me. Oh shit. Oh my god. He's gonna anal rape me. Don't tase me, bro. I don't know where the fuck that's from. Ow! Into the hole. That's what she said. I was watching The Descent today for the first time. When that girl fell down there. Oh! Whoa. When the girl fell down the hole and like her fucking bone popped out of her fucking skin, it's so wrong but like so cool. I might get a crotch shot. Thing lacks fucking accuracy.